Continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. How are my little kids doing in quarantine period? I hope that you all will be fine and making most of your time. Today I am going to tell you about picture composition, what a picture composition is and how we can frame sentences by observing the picture. And as we already know that every picture speaks, it tells us about something. Today we will learn about language of the pictures, that what a picture depicts and what it tells us. So let's get started. Okay, what a picture composition? A picture composition is to write the meaningful sentences by observing the pictures, meaning that after watching an image, the observations that you will write, the meaningful sentences you will convert into a paragraphical form, that is picture composition. Now I will tell you how we can frame sentences, how we can write picture composition. As I have said earlier that every picture speaks, it tells us something. So first of all, we will observe the picture, then we will observe the events, the actions that are happening in the picture. After that, we will arrange that in a logical order. Then we will write, in the fourth step, we will write the title based on the theme. And at the last, we will arrange and write according to a paragraph. To understand better, let's observe a picture here I have. It's a picture in front of you. Here I have a few questions that you will note down while writing a picture description or picture composition, that what's going on in the picture, how many people are, what is this picture of. You will note down these observations and question answers while writing this. Okay. After writing these, we will write the title as I have described earlier. By looking at this, according to me, according to this picture, the title is Fun in the Park. And what the granny is doing, what the children are doing, we will describe it into few lines. This is called the picture description. Thank you all.